attendant value imported, but by this time we were using our own template. So please go back to payroll measurement and choose time attendant. So if you want to use your own template, by default you can click on the configuration and you can configure by yourself. This is the configuration for the time attendant, which you can edit and change for the column. So this one I close first. So now I will download the template to show you how's our time attendant template looks like. So we already done downloaded, so you can click on the time attendant to open. By default, this is our time attendant template. So if you want to create or configure your own template, you can tally with the formula here under configuration. So data start from row number. This one you can adjust align with the template that I already have. And then employee code is start with A. This is the employee code, so you start with A. So you have to refer from A, B, C, D from this header column, and then match with employee code, working days, work days, absent days. So match with this one. So we're starting with working days, work day, absent day. If you want to change the template, you can change the template by your own, or maybe you already have your time attendant, the simple template. Then you can just choose the ABCD and assign by using your own template here. So not necessarily you have to use our own template. You still can use your own template by putting the employee code, which is a crucial, and then the working days, work days, all this you can just assign accordingly to what is the template that you already have. So here we will not use this template, so we have to close this one. We will assign our new template. We assume we already modify our own Excel template, so we will use our own template. So we have to modify our time attendant configuration. For the employee code, maintain A, but for the working days, we start with G. So you have to click and select G, and then work day is starting with H, absent day we start with I, and leave day we start with J, unpaid leave day we start with K, work rest day we start with B, so we go back to B, and then work holiday C, overtime for work day is E, this one it will be D, overtime for rest day is E, overtime for holiday is F. So lateness count and lateness time is L and M. So once you're done modify your configuration, just click on save. Time attendant configuration saved successfully, just click on continue. So we will import the template. We assume the template we already have provided for you under our education portal, which is you have to import for the time attendant using on template number 2. So we go back to AutoCount payroll time. If you want to know this number 2 is about what, so you can click this one. And by right, you can see already for Cindy Lauder and for Tom Cruise, we already modify our Excel template. So we will start with work rest day, work holiday, OT. So this one we will synchronize with the exact or for the real time attendant into our cloud system. So once we done this one, we just click on, we try again, we click on import. We look again on our configuration, so A, G, H, I, J, K, B, C, D, E. So once we're done, we click on save again, then we click on import. So payroll type we choose month end, then we click on import time attendant, we will choose the C10 time attendant number 2. Then click on open. So you will see by default under this E21510, which is Cindy Lauder, we already imported for overtime of 3 hours. And for Tom Cruise is 1 hours under work holiday. So you can expand. Yes, correct. Work holiday. So for Cindy Lauder will be 1 hours for overtime for work days, overtime for rest day, and overtime for holiday. So once you're done, you just click on save. Data imported successfully. Click on continue. So we have done set our own template. So now what we have to do is we have to go back to our payroll process and reset again our payroll process. So please go to process payroll, and then still under employee count number 2, correction, employee count with 2 employees, you click on edit. Again, you click on detail. So under this detail, we have to go through one by one. So we go by Cindy Lauder first. So you click on the button to expand and click on reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes. So you will receive a new overtime. So reset successfully. Click on continue. The new overtime will be 1,298 ringgit 8 cents. So you can click on this amount to see for the new overtime rate for Cindy Lauder. So we already add a new amount of 3 hours under 1.5 hourly rate, 2 hourly rate, and also under 3 hourly rate. So total is 1,298 ringgit 8 cents. So close this one, click on this button to collapse, and under Tom Cruise also we need to do the same thing. So we need to click on reset. So we reset for Tom Cruise. Are you sure you want to reset? Just click on yes, and you will see the new amounts for Tom Cruise under overtime. So click on continue. The new amount of overtime for Tom Cruise is 3,150 ringgit 39 cents. So you can click on this button to see the total value. For the rest day, we already add, correction, for the public holiday, we already add one more day. So total is 3,150 ringgit 39 cents. So click on close. So this is the way on how you can calculate or enter your overtime. So the first one by using the ad hoc payroll item, the second method by using the AutoCount Cloud Payroll template, and the third one by using your own template from Excel file. So this is 3 methods on how you can record your overtime. So once you're done, click on back. So we have done for chapter